Create grid for project. If you open Tekla structure, you will get it like this rectangular grid default. You can customize this grid. Select the grid, then go to the properties. You will get it the grid properties. Now go to the PDF. You can see the grid and all. You can see here this is X direction. Here it is Y direction. X direction, each grid between distance 10,000 millimeter. Here it is Y direction 20,000 millimeter. First, we need to make it this. You can see here this is a grid naming A, B, C, D like that. Here it is A 1, 2, 3 like that. So first go to here. This is X direction. We have 7 grid, means we have spacing 6 spacing. So now go to the Tekla structure, make it, delete this all the things, then make it here 6 spacing, then star 10,000, then enter. So X direction it is created. Then Y direction. Y direction we have 2 grid. The 2 grid in between distance 20,000, enter. Now X and Y finished. Next one Z direction. Z direction, if you go to this one, you can see here 0 elevation. Here it is 7,000, 9165. Then here it is 10,000 elevation. Now go to the Tekla structure, make it this one 7,000 elevation, then 9135. We can check that one 9165. Next one 10,000, 9165. Next one 10,000, then enter. So here it is placed. Same like that we need to make changes in this also. You can see here up to D we have E, F, G. We need to make it X direction E, F, space G. All the letters in between we need to make it gap. Then next one, once you done, simply enter, or you can make it, click this modify, it will modify. Here it is enter, here it is finish. Next 1, 2, 3, here also it is created perfectly Y direction. Next one Z direction, make it first level 0, next level 7,000, next level make it 9,165, then give you a space 10,000, make it plus symbol also. So now these all the levels we finished 7,000, 9,165, 10,000. Then other all the thing keep as it is. Now just go to the view, then go to the view list. Here it is empty. Double click outside. You can change the name. You can make it 3D or you can make it isometric view, whatever you want. You can make it. Then modify. Here it is. Change the name. Next, select this grid. Then go to the view. Then go to the new view. Select here along grid lines. Then create and click OK. Here all the views are created. Now I just close this one. So this is the way you can create grid for this project. Create column. For that, go to steel, then click the column, then go to the properties. We need to change all the things. Name just keep as it is, but we need to change the profile. If you go to the PDF, you can see the profile W760 into 582. Now just go here, then go to W section, and here it is I, and here it is WUS metric, and here it is 760, here it is 582, 760, 582. Select this one, double click this one, and here it is placed. You can change the material also, which material you want, you can select the material, and which color you want, you can fix it, that one. Next, this is the part numbering, make it H, and here it is column, so I just make it here CL, Then other all the thing keep as it is, then enter, click the location. Before that we need to do one more thing also. Just go to the PDF. You can see this is the column bottom elevation. Here it is top elevation, top one 9165. So just make it that one 9165, enter. Other all the thing keep as it is, then click the location and here, but we need to change the orientation of this column. Here you can see, here if you go here you can see our flange side this side, so we need to change that one. So our flange side we need to rotate that side. Select this one, just make it here 90, then enter. Now you can see it is placed perfectly. Again go to column, just click the location, it will perfectly place. Expand. So now all the columns are placed.